everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to try the 2-ingredient dough right from the Weight Watchers app. The description is, this fan favorite dough is a quick and healthy way to have all your favorite carbs. Our basic version will help you make impressive bagels, pastries, calzone, pizza, and more. Make sure to let your bowl of dough rest for 5 minutes before use so it's easier to work with. Add dry or fresh seasonings to the dough to add a touch of flavor. Baking times and temperatures may vary based on the items made with the dough, but in general, the dough cooks well at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. It mentions swap in gluten-free self-rising flour for regular self-rising flour if desired. So the recipe calls for white self-rising flour, which I'm going to use the Great Value. It calls for 1 cup and 1/3 cups. I do everything in grams, so the total is 171 grams that we need to use. And then 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 cup is 245 grams. So instructions: place your flour and yogurt in a medium bowl, stir well with a wooden spoon until just combined, and then keep mixing dough in a bowl with your hands until smooth. About 2 minutes of kneading. If dough is too sticky to knead, add more flour, 1 tablespoon at a time until no longer sticky. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces and roll or form into the shape of your desired recipe. Serving size is 1/8 of a dough is 2 points. So I'm excited to get this done. Last time that I made it, I definitely did not add no seasoning to it. So this time we're gonna do the salt-free original seasoning and then a little bit of the no salt sodium-free. So let's get to it. So we will add first the Greek. I'm gonna be using the Great Value Greek plain. So we need 245 grams. So let's see. So that's roughly 130 for 1 bucket, or 1 container, I should say. And we need 245. I'd rather do everything in grams. Oh, that's too much. Okay, we're not gonna argue over 1 gram. And zero out again, and then we're going to add 171 grams of flour. Okay. Gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of this on here. Most likely what I will be doing with my portion of the dough today will be a calzone full of chicken. Yummy, yummy. So I'm kind of excited to see how that plays out. This is definitely messy. Okay, I can definitely see how it's starting to definitely build up the consistency, which is nice. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pour this in, and then we're gonna start bringing it all together. Hold on, got a little bit left here in the wooden spoon. So I was with Weight Watchers many years ago, and when this recipe first came out, and I don't know, it was one of my favorites, but I don't remember cutting it in 8 pieces. So I don't know if it was a smaller recipe, but here we go. Okay, starting to come together. So it says to keep massaging it for like 2 minutes straight. What a mess. It's okay. Okay, so it says to massage it for 2 minutes straight. And I think we finally got it. That's nice. Okay, let's get all these little pieces and get it all in there. Wow, that's nice. Okay, and as you can see, it has the little specks of the actual seasoning in it. All right, so it says to let it sit for 5 minutes. It is 12:58. So we'll let it sit and then we'll come back and cut. So what I'm going to do is I am going to weigh the dough. So it's telling me that it weighs 415 grams. I like to do everything in grams. Actually, it's saying 414. So we're gonna do 414 divided into 8. So 51.5 basically each slice. We're gonna zero that out. Okay, so that piece is 52, and then we're gonna cut it here and see. Perfect, 52. $52. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, we have our 8 balls. So each ball is 2 Smart Points. So I'm actually going to make a calzone. So I'm actually going to be using 2, but we're going to be using this Ziploc bags from the dollar store. So I'm able to freeze them and then use them whenever I need it.
This is what it looks like. I'm super excited.
And then I have these two, which is total of 8. And yeah, super excited, and stay tuned. I will upload the calzone recipe, but for right now, this is the 2 ingredient dough, and super quick. It was done within 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone has an amazing day. God bless, and we will see you soon.